You must be Madam Vivian.
Yes, my dear. Come in. I have been expecting you.
Yeah, well, I did book.
I will try to help you and reveal what the cards have in store. I see you have a daughter. She will prosper.
Oh, wow. You're good.
I see good fortune will come her way. Yes, she will receive money.
Not so bad. I hope she gives some to me.
Oh, my dear, it's not good. I'm afraid the cards show bad news. You must act quickly, my dear. You are very unprepared for what is in store. You have to get life assurance.
What exactly is going to happen to me?
You do know what life assurance is?
Is that really important? I'm here to know my future, not get financial advice.
There is not much future to read. You must take quick action. Life assurance has been used for many, many years, dating back to the 1500s. You can purchase a life assurance contract from insurance companies to make sure your family are financially secure when you pass away. A whole life assurance will cover you for the remainder of your life. You are unlucky. So young. I am saddened to see such misfortune. But you must do what is best for your family.
Oh yeah, so long as they're okay. Pity about me though. I think I am wasting my time here.
Ignore me at your peril. You must go now to Viva. I have seen it. All you have to do is pay monthly or weekly payments, called premiums, and in return they will pay a lump sum of money when you die.
Yes, I've heard of that. It's just the same as life insurance, isn't it? But surely I could just give my daughter the money now, rather than hand out more money for the banks.
Ah, my dear. You need to think of the time value of money. The £100 you might have in your pocket today is worth more in a year, if used correctly, due to the interest money earns. The company doesn't know when they will have to pay the benefit they have promised. There are qualified actuaries employed by these insurance companies to work out the expected present values of the contract they issue you. The payment they will make to you will happen at a time in the future unknown to them. The value of the payment depends on interest rates and on the length of time you will live for. The future is not predictable. They do not have the gift of sight that I have.
You chose the wrong career path by the sounds of things. How do they work out when I will die?
When they are calculating the life assurance policies to sell, they have to make certain assumptions. There are mortality tables to work out the chance of death at different ages. These are based on national data. Your future lifetime is a random variable to them. Your young age will allow you to buy an assurance for a cheap price, since the probability of you dying soon is very small, and they won't expect to make a payment to you for many years. However, I have seen your future, and the end is nigh. You see, I have put you at a great advantage.
Yes, thanks very much. I feel so lucky to know I might keel over any minute. So say I do get this life assurance. How would they afford to pay me the money promised when I die?
The premiums you pay are pooled together with the premiums paid by other people who have also bought life assurance. These are the assets the company holds, and actuaries then decide the best ways to invest these assets to ensure they earn good interest and accumulate over the years. It is very important they have enough funds to cover the future liabilities like paying the sum when you die. The longer you live and pay them premiums, the better the profit they make.
How do I know I am not paying too much to them? I really don't think I could afford this kind of thing.
The premiums are not very much, and there are many regulations to ensure equality. They cannot make unrealistic assumptions. If their expected mortality is much higher than the actual mortality in the population, they would be receiving much more premiums from policyholders before they pay out the sum assured. This would lead to large surpluses. They have to strike a balance.
So how much would the premiums be? Do they change?
For some contracts there are increasing or decreasing payments, but usually the premiums are level. And then when you die, the money will be paid to your beneficiary at the end of the year you die, or immediately after death, depending again on the particular product you decide to buy. However, there is usually some delay in the payment.
For a fortune teller, you sure know a lot about it. Well, thanks for your help, Vivian. By the sounds of it, I won't be seeing you again soon. I'll go and make the most of my time left.
Ahem, that will be £50, please.